if the letters can be repeated and I have to use those 4 letters, how many 4-letter codes, different 4-letter codes can I make? I always make my 4 spaces and I say, how many choices do I have for the first position? Well, that would be a 4, but I can repeat it. So I still have 4 up for grabs in the second and the third and the fourth, and that is 256 when you multiply them all together. On number 2, since you got 5 letters and you can only use them once, it goes 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And when you multiply those together, that is 120. The second one would be 5 factorial because it goes from 5 to 1. But the first one would only be 4 factorial if it went 4, 3, 2, 1. But since we can use them each time, it's 4 to the 4th power. Okay? Number 3 says, a restaurant serves 5 main dishes, so 5 entrees, 3 salads, and 4 desserts. How many different meals could be ordered if you have a main dish, a salad, and a dessert? And you multiply those 3 numbers together, and you get 60. That's number 3. Number 4 says, how many different ways can 4 different books be arranged on the shelf? This one, once you pick a book and put it on the shelf, he's no longer available for the next position. So this would be 4 exclamation, which is 24 ways. Number 5, how many 5-digit even numbers? 5-digit even numbers can be formed using the digits 4, 6, 7, 2, and 8 if you can repeat the digits. So let's make our 5 tick marks. It's the easiest way to do it. On the first number, I can use all 5 numbers. On the second number, I can use all 5 numbers.
Use 5 on all except the last 4.
On the third one, I can use 5, and then 5 more, and then 4. Because even numbers are only these 4. The 7 would make it odd, so you cannot use that. And that should be 2,500. If it's an even integer, in the last position, you can only have 5 choices to make it even. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. 5 different choices. All of these can be 10, but the first position can't be...
because then we're going to 5, so it has to be 9.
It can't be a 0.
So it has to be.
It can't be a 0 because it wouldn't be a 4-digit number if it was a 0 in the first place. So that becomes 4,500. Okay?
So where'd you get the tens?
So number 7, how many license plates number consisting of 3 letters followed by 3 numbers, so these are letters and numbers, are possible when you can repeat? Well, that's 26, 26, and 26 on the letters because you can repeat them. You can have a U. And then the numbers would be 10, 10, and 10. And that should be 17,576,000.
So where'd you get the...
So now number 8 is doing the same thing where repetition is not allowed. Like the same thing of number 7 where repetition is not allowed. So this would be 26, 25, 24, and 10, 9, and 8. And that would be 11,232,000. For mom, you got 3 exclamation over 2 because you have 2 M's.
30.
Well, 3 exclamation is 3 times 2 times 1, and 2 is 2 times 1. These guys cancel, so it's 3. So number 4, how many ways can 8 members of a family be seated side by side in a movie theater if father is seated on the aisle? So here we go. Father is the only guy that can sit there, and then it's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which is 5,040. Got it? Number 5.
Isn't relevant.
How many ways can 3 books be placed on a shelf if chosen from a selection of 7 books?
Survey says.
What did you get? 7, 6 times 5 is 210.
Oh, so make